Happy morning, happy afternoon, happy evening to all my Nanvas and Nanvis. Can we actually beat ICA in evaluation? Is it possible to get 5 on 5 in theory papers, law, audit, and strategic management? I am saying yes, it is possible with the help of ChatGPT. Now, before I get into ChatGPT, how we are going to use it and make our presentation better and all of those things, I want just one commitment from you. 15 minutes of your time every single day. If you can give me, trust me, your presentation is going to become better. And yes, you will be able to achieve 5 on 5 on your theory answers also. Just 15 minutes of your time every day, guys. How am I going to do this? Say, for example, I will take any question. Now, this question is about how are you going to verify the fees which has been collected from students. Other entities question I have taken. Now, this question I have taken an image of that. You can take any question of your choice. It can be from RTP, MTP or previous exam paper or model test paper. Completely up to you, your choice. Once you take the question, you also see the suggested answer. I have taken the Dhira test suggested answer. See how the suggested answer is given point wise, and for each point, how much marks is given. Now, this is the answer that student has written. How many points he has written? 5 points he has written. Now, I have these 3 images. I am going to go to ChatGPT. I am uploading these 3 images. Before I upload, one thing you have to notice, you have to go to new project. In the new project, can you see writing here? You have to click on that writing so that AI understands that you're doing a writing practice and it will give the input appropriately. Don't forget to do this before you actually put in your images. You just have to click on the writing and put in your 3 images. That is the question, suggested answer and your answer. Now, what happened after I put in these 3 images? Automatically, ChatGPT is saying you have shared question, suggested ICA style answer, and students handwritten answer. Now, what is the question requirement? 5 marks is for this question. Verification of fee concessions, that is the core requirement, and they're also asking any 2 other specific points for verification of fees from students. Students handwritten answer. How are they going to give the evaluation? The first point what the student has given, not acceptable for full marks because it is too generic. It does not mention these keywords, cash book, counterfoil, fee register, not mentioned. So out of 1, I am going to give only 0.5 marks. Second point, what is missing? Approval by college management is missing. Sanction or authority, that is a keyword which is missing. Like that, for every point, ChatGPT will analyze and they will give you the exact feedback as to how you can improve. Just see the point number 3, 0 mark, no linkage to fee register or concession policy. And finally, 1.5 marks is being allotted. Really, I'm telling, if ICA is going to evaluate, it will be in the similar level only. 1.5 to 2 marks is what ICA also is going to evaluate for this kind of answer. Now, the beauty is here. ChatGPT is also telling why the marks are lost. What are the technical keywords which is being missed? These 5 points is being missed. The keywords, technical keywords, if this is there, then it can help you to increase the marks. Like that, they are giving the answer. How this answer should have been written. Example of one perfect 1 mark point. Like that, they are giving. Beautiful feedback they are giving. You just have to go here, create the project, and once you do this, maybe for you, in case if it is not working, you can just copy this prompt. I have shared the question, suggested ICA style answer and my handwritten answer. I want you to evaluate this answer exactly like ICA examiner and tell me my marks and why my marks are lost. The first 1 paragraph is there, correct? In case ChatGPT does not do, you can use this as the prompt and give it, and automatically you're going to get the feedback. I told you I need 15 minutes of your time. One day you can do 1 or 2 questions. The next day, please do 1 or 2 questions. Again and again, the next day, do 1 or 2 questions. Without you knowing, your presentation is going to get better. Trust me, guys, there was a student who got 33 marks, and because he did tests and he got feedback and he implemented the feedback, the 33 marks became 65 marks in the next attempt. It was possible only because he took the feedback, used it constructively, implemented it, made the presentation better, made the answers better. Trust me, every single day, if you can write the answer, just put the image inside that writing practice and automatically you're going to get the feedback. You only have to read through the feedback, remember how you have to write for the next time, and keep doing it every day till your exams. And yes guys, all the very best. I hope this tip was useful for you and I hope you all will be using this in the future. All the best guys.